Hi guys, welcome to ATSR channel. Today's topic is Redmi. I'm going to tell you how to make apps smaller on Redmi. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Open settings. Scroll down, find additional settings and open it. Accessibility, select vision, display size. Good. Let's check the result. Good. As you can see, it's not just the app icons that are getting smaller. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. My dream is to get 100,000 subscribers. Do you think I can do it? Please write in the comments. Also check out my playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.